welcome back. Let's configure the routing protocol on our network infrastructure today by using RIP. In order to do that, we do have two infrastructure here. One have the network of 10.0.0.0 and the other one have a network of 20.0.0.0. First, we have to assign the IP addresses on our machine. So let's go and assign the IP address here. So let's see, we're gonna put the IP address as 10.0.0.5 with the subnet mask and the gateway as 10.0.0.1. Similarly, we have to assign the IP address to the another one as well. Let's say 20.0.0.5 with the gateway of 20.0.0.1. Now let's go to the routers. In the earlier video, we have configured the RIP using the CLI mode. This time we will gonna configure with the GUI option. Just go to your configure point, just select the different gigabit Ethernet port. So the 0/0/0/0/0 is connecting between the two routers. So that's why we will gonna specify the IP address here. The first one is 30.30.0.1 with the by default subnet. Similarly, for the IP address between the router and my network is 10.0.0.1 with the default gateway. Let's go to the another router and configuring similarly. It's 30.0.0.2 and over here it's 20.0.0.1. Now we have to go and configure the RIP protocol. Let's go and add it. It's 20.0.0.0, that is one of our network, and the another network is 30.0.0.0. Similarly, on this particular router, we just have to go here and select 10.0.0.0, and the next one is 30.0.0.0. If everything is good, it should be good now. Let's see. The one thing you have to make sure that you're running after all of this is you have to make sure that the interfaces are up. Then just quickly go and just write a command saying no shutdown. No shutdown. Similarly, on the other port as well, just make sure this one is no shutdown. And same goes here. Just click on this one, say no shutdown. And one, no shutdown. If everything is good, everything must be configured, and let's see if we are doing a real-time simulation for this one, whether it will be gonna working or not. So currently it is giving us an error stating that we are not able to reach out. Let's see why. Ping 10.0.0.1. Looks like it's taking a while. Let's go with the real time. So we are able to ping 10.0.0.1, which is the IP address over here for our router. Let's see whether we are able to ping the other end. Yes, we are able to ping this end as well from our infrastructure. Let's see when we are able to ping this one or not. So the next one is ping 30.0.0.2. And yes, we are able to ping that one as well. And now let's go to the last part, and if we are able to ping or not. Ping 20.0.0.1, which is the IP address over here, the gateway of the another network, and the last part is 20.0.0.2. If we are able to ping it this machine as well, we are able to successfully set up the RIP protocol in our infrastructure using the GUI mode. Only thing is required is you have to go back to the CLI mode and make sure the ports are in the up state logically. Otherwise, you will not be able to ping from node A to the node B. And let's go and run again 20.0.2. I hope that's the IP address I mentioned here. It's not something else. Oh, it's 5. That's why it's not working. So on the other end, it's not 2, it's 5. Let's see if it's working or not. Okay, so you are able to see that we got the output and we are successfully able to set up the communication between network 1 and network 2 using the RIP protocol. Thank you.